How to remove source from continue watching on Peacock. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and on this video I'll show you how to remove source from the continue watching tab on Peacock. So this is a quick and simple process. Without further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is log into your account. Once you logged in, you should see the continue watching section on Peacock, which may have shows or movies you want to remove. Now, Peacock doesn't offer a direct option to delete items from the continue watching list. However, there's a simple workaround to remove them. Navigate to the show or movie you want to remove. If it's TV show, go to the last episode in the series. Fast forward all the way to the credits or the end of the content. Once Peacock registers that you have finished the content, it will automatically remove it from the continue watching list. And that's it. You have successfully removed shows from your continue watching tab on Peacock. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.